Welcome to my channel Angels Nursing Decodes. In this video we are going to discuss about under 5 clinic. So under 5 clinic is nothing but taking care of the children below 5 years of old. Under 5 clinic is derived from Well Baby Clinic. This clinic provides preventive service along with health supervision, treatment, nutritional surveillance and health education. Under 5 age group or vulnerable and special risk group constitution a major portion of total population with high death. So here the concentrated the under 5 children in a preventive aspects. Next, we can see the definition of under 5 clinic. It's a center where preventive, promotive, curative, referral and educational services are provided in packaged manner to under 5 children under one roof. That means in one area they concentrated on preventive, promotive, curative, referral and educational services. Next, we are going to see about objectives. Objectives of under 5 clinic are as follows. The first one is decreasing child death and infant mortality rate. And the second one is complete protection of child. The third objective is nutritional diet to children. And next, the fourth objective is overall growth of children. Fifth objective is preserve and promote health of under 5 children. Next, sixth one is increasing health level of children. Next, seventh objective is assessing growth and assessing the development of the child. Eighth objective is carry out physical examination. Ninth objective is prevention and treatment of general diseases and injuries and referring the critical patients. 10th objective is providing health education to mothers. Next, we can see the goals. The overall goal of Under 5 Clinic is to provide comprehensive health care to young children in a specialized facility. So here the triangle is a logo with 4 internal triangles and an outer enveloping triangle. So each triangle represent the goals of the under 5 clinic. Let's see about it. So the under 5 clinic has major 5 components. First is care of illness, second one preventive care, third one growth monitoring, fourth is family planning and the fifth is health education. So here you can see the triangles. 4 triangles are inside and it is surrounded by another triangle. So each triangle it has the specific component. Okay, let's see it. The important causes of morbidity and mortality of this group are mainly acute respiratory infections, diarrhea, neonatal and perinatal diseases, infections and accidents. The apex of the large triangle represent care in illness. The left triangle represent preventive care. The right triangle represent growth monitoring. Red triangle represent family planning. Line bordering the big triangle is health education. Next we can see in detail. First is care in illness. So acute illness, then chronic illness including physical, mental, congenital and acquired abnormalities, disorders of growth and development were treated here. And they used to do x-rays, lab test, etc. And if it is chronic illness means they will be referring the cases. And referral services are done in a perfect way with first time. Next, research studies have shown that 70 to 90% of the care of the sick children can be managed, but the trained nurse with effective training and responsibility for managing the child health services. Next is preventive care. timely physical examination of the children. Next, immunization, nutritional surveillance. In case of diarrhea, ORS therapy, continuous health checkup, family planning welfare, and health education. These were the components followed in preventive care. Next is growth monitoring. In growth monitoring, the child is weighed periodically every month during the first year, every monthly from 1 to 3 years of age, and every 3 monthly in 4th to 5th years. Continuous growth monitoring is required because it will help to identify the malnourished child. Next, in growth monitoring, first thing, weight is monitored, then height, then mid-arm circumference. So these three things are measured by a trained person with a good calibrated equipment. So if any variations are identified here, then the child is referred for further care. Next is growth monitoring is assessed in a chart. So growth curve, that is continuous monitoring they will be doing, and regular assessment will be done using the growth chart. So we can identify how the child is growing day by day from birth. And if there is any underweight, then the child is treated for malnutrition, and if it is obese means the treatment is given to maintain the normal weight. Okay, growth charts. What do you mean by growth charts? It is the thing which is monitored for the growth and development of the child. Next is family planning. Family planning is the central to any program directed towards women and children. The mother and more receptive to family planning practices during early puerperium and lactation. Here the mother is counseled for birth spacing because then only the child will be healthy. Next is health education. This clinic is used to educate the mother about childcare, then breastfeeding, nutrition, growth monitoring, immunization, and cleanliness. These were the thing important because the mother used to take care of the child, and if these things are educated to the mother, then the child is prevented from number of diseases. Next is role of nurses. First is selection of place and days of clinic. Next, she has to arrange the equipments. Next, arranging the entertainment facilities, providing immunization services. Next, maintain growth chart, maintaining immunization card, recording general examination. Next, nutritional level and weight of the child is assessed, assessing the growth and development of the child, carry out physical examination, prevention and treatment of general diseases and injuries, and referring the critical patients, providing health education to mothers. So these were the role of nurses. So as a nurse, we have to follow these things. So I hope you got a clear idea about Under 5 Clinic. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.